Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you for a house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 30 feet. Width is 20 feet and length is 30 feet. This is 30 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation, or for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, so let's get started guys. You can see guys, this house is its front is located to the north side. Okay, this is a road. You can see this is a ground floor plan. Only two sides are open, front and back. Okay, back side is also we have a road, and front side also we have a road, but these two sides are closed because we have the other person property here. Okay, the first one guys, you can see this is main gate, which width is up to 4 feet. So when you enter by this main gate guys, you can see this is living room. Size of this living room is 16 feet 8 inch by 11 feet. Width is 11 feet, length is 16 feet and 8 inches. Guys, you can see this is up for first floor. Okay, this is ground floor plan. Next guys, you can see this is a lobby which width is 4 feet. This is 4 feet width. So the first one guys, you can see this is a door for this bedroom. Size is 12 feet by 11 feet and 6 inches, and this is its window. Next guys, you can see here this is the door for this kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 12 feet 10 inches by 7 feet and 8 inches. Okay guys, you can see these are two windows to this back side because this is open. Guys, you can see we have two accesses. Okay, one from back side, the other one is from front side. Next guys, you can see this is the powder room. Size is 4 by 4 feet. This is water closet. Size is 3 feet and 6 inches by 4 feet. Guys, you can see this is a bath. Size is 4 feet by 8 inches for this bedroom. Okay, so this is ventilation, this is ventilation, and this is ventilation. So this is a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 30 feet. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.